Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I literally just got off work and I have ran out to Food Lion. So at Food Lion, I'm making so much noise, y'all. At Food Lion, I ended up picking up about $37 worth of a little small grocery haul. And so today's video is in collaboration with Miss Amaechi, and so she is the host and I am the co-host, and we are doing a grocery haul. So I just needed to pick up quite a few things in order to make what I'm going to be making. So I wanted to show you guys what dinner is going to be for this afternoon. Now, yes, $37 just for one little day. It is what it is. Prices are gone sky high. You know, can't find certain things. So I'm going to show you guys what I got and then tell you what I'm going to be making with that, because not only can I eat this meal today, I'm going to be able to take it for work tomorrow as well, or either have it tomorrow afternoon after work. So let me just show you guys what I did pick up from Food Lion. All right, so first of all, let me explain something. Recently here where I live at, they are now charging you guys 5 cents per bag if you were to get like the regular Food Lion, Kroger, Walmart bags. This is in my city. So not only are they charging me, well, they didn't charge me because I have so many reusable shopping bags that I'm not paying for bags. But I bought this for about $1.50. So this is like my second one. I do have one with like an avocado on it. And then, so they're charging you. And with me grocery shopping by like the 2 weeks period, yeah, it's going to be like almost up to $1 or $2–3 with how much groceries I buy for the house at one time. So I think that what I'm going to start doing is using my reusable shopping bags to shop. And I'm going to start doing like pickup orders. Actually, I'm going to stop doing pickup orders because they're going to charge me for those bags, and that's not happening. So I'm going to start just grocery shopping for the week and start doing a meal plan. So I'm going to be doing that here on my channel. Meal plans are awesome. I can't never stick by them, but I'm going to be doing a little something like that. Anyways, y'all, let's just jump right back into what I got from Food Lion, I promise. So I did get some green leaf lettuce. And then this was like $1.39. I got some shredded mild cheddar cheese. I got some leafy green romaine. So we got romaine, and then we got the actual leaf lettuce, right? And I did get 2 Dr. Peppers. That is going to be going with my meal for tonight. All right, so here's my other Dr. Pepper that we're gonna have with dinner tonight. All right, also down in here, I got the Planet oat milk. This oat milk I bought because I am making a lot of JAVY coffees using the JAVY coffee concentrate. So I'm gonna be trying to make some different JAVY coffee recipes. Hopefully trying this one. So I also ended up picking up some baby cut carrots, as I can shred these in what I'm going to be making. I also picked up, I wanted the Lindy's homemade Italian ices. This is raspberry and cherry. And so these were like $2.50, I think. We got the Lunchables for the kids to have tonight because they're not interested in what me and Charles are going to be eating. And then I got the pizza with pepperoni, the Lunchable, and this one is the chicken dunks. I have some grape tomatoes. So I guess you guys are probably putting it together by now. What I'm going to be making me and Charles for dinner tonight, I got 2 cucumbers, and then I got a head of the iceberg lettuce. So we're going to be making salads. It is a new year, and I definitely want to start eating a little bit healthier. And unfortunately, with that being said, it's really hard to figure out like what to eat. It's really hard to figure out like everything. I'm to the point where like I'm not even able to keep track of what I eat in a day. So link will be in my description box down below. In the mail today through Amazon, I got my planner. This is my new planner for the 2022 to 2023 year. And so this was only $6, but I love how it still says 2022 to 2023 because I clearly have all the way up until July to use this planner. And I can also use the months from December back until probably June of last year to just take notes and write things down. So yeah, link will be in my description box down below. Definitely grab you a planner. And I'm even thinking of like buying like a magnetic meal planner to put on my refrigerator because I'm forever forgetting to thaw things out. I'm forever forgetting to, you know, like buy something from the grocery store. So that's my problem. But like I said, we're going to be making salads. I'm going to show you guys the progress that I am putting into putting the salad together. So I'll be enjoying that later. But in the meantime, I'm going to sit down, get ready to edit for a few minutes and let my lettuce kind of like, you know, get room temperature. I don't like cold lettuce. I don't like cold salad. So I like to let it sit out for a while. And I did go by Chick-fil-A today at lunchtime and get a 12 count nugget. So I am going to cut that up. That's going to be the meat. So that's going to be the meat that's going to go into the salad, as we love putting chicken in there. So yeah, stay tuned. This year, I do plan on doing a lot of meal preps coming up just to get myself back in shape of eating in and taking food to work versus going out while at work to get lunch. I think that getting lunch out once a week would be fine when my kindergarten team decides let's do it. Other than that, I don't want to eat out because I'd rather eat from home what I have. So I will be making a PDF for me to print off of food that we will need for bi-weekly, and then I also will print off a PDF of meal prep food that I can make for the week so that I can figure out what materials I will need in order to make that. So the meal prepping that I will need to do will be for breakfast and lunch for work, and so there will be a couple of things that I will need. And I'll put that on my sheet, and I will print off a couple copies so that it can be used for a every other week basis. So I will be doing meal prep and meal planning for 2 weeks at a time to save myself from all of the bags of groceries and to save groceries from going bad. Of course, we know that milk and bread are the first things that are going to expire when grocery shopping. So those are the things that I will get and possibly either freeze the milk, the second like half a gallon or gallon, and then as far as bread goes, I'm easily able to run in and just grab a loaf if I need it without getting other things, or make sure that we're going to use the bread within that 2 week range for things maybe such as like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, toast, or anything else. Anyways, I'd like to thank you guys today so much for joining in to watch this collaboration. And I hope that you all enjoyed watching this small video of me running to Food Lion to get my small grocery haul for a night or two's meal plan, which is to make a salad. And so please check out the video playlist in my description box down below.